much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still. Cause you won't wait forever, so just hear.
What's up guys, and welcome to another video. This time I had the pleasure to receive my great friends from Brazil to visit me here in the Netherlands. We started the trip by going to Amsterdam North, where we went up the Amsterdam Tower to the Sky Bar to grab something to drink before dinner.
Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now, right now. 'Cause someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try, even try. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now, right now. Someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try, even try.
After a couple of gin tonics, we went to a restaurant called Moon, which is also located in the tower. This is a rotating restaurant that allows you a 360 degrees view from the city. And here we enjoyed a nice meal, and on top of that we also appreciated the beautiful sunset.
Someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try, even try. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now, right now. Someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try, don't even try.
On the next morning we rented some bikes to go around the city. This is something you must do when visiting Amsterdam. Check it out how it went.
You're my soul, you're my heart, my wonderwall. You're my soul, you're my.
Fala pessoal, rolezinho agora no Vondel Park. Vamos explorar a cidade com a bike, hein?
You're my soul.
What's up, Gu? How's it going, the bike ride?
Bro,
Oh, good.
do a little exercise after the lunch, you know? It's good, man.
Let's go.
Feels good, yeah.
You're my heart, my wonderwall. You're my soul.
After the bike tour, we have rented a boat to see the city from a different angle. There are several companies that allow you to rent your own boat and drive around the channels. We got some snacks and jumped right into it. To finalize this exhausting day, we went to an all-you-can-eat sushi restaurant. Gabriel and I have recently celebrated our birthday, so I prepared a surprise for him that caught him completely unguarded. The next morning we were packed up and ready to leave Amsterdam and go to our next destination. So G, second part of the trip. Let's go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know in the comments what else would you do in Amsterdam, and don't forget to subscribe to see where we went next. Cheers!